So, sick and tired of dating apps, I decided that it was time to go back to basic and date analog. When I say analog, I mean going totally offline. So, over the past 6 weeks, I have been experimenting different ways that you can date in the real world. I've tried speed dating, I've gone to a matchmaker, and I also tried one or two setups. And here are the 4 things that I've learned. Number one, setups are absolutely fantastic, but make sure to do a little bit of cross referencing beforehand. I was set up by a colleague and a mutual friend, and one of the biggest mistakes I made was that I didn't have some similar likes and dislikes to one of the people that I was on the setup with. Now, it's a great way to meet someone. If you're a little bit nervous about dating offline, get out there. Ask your friends, ask your colleagues, ask your family members if there is anyone that they know that they can set you up with. It is such a good way to meet people. Number two, speed dating is not for the faint-hearted. I was absolutely overwhelmed when I went speed dating because you are meeting 15 to 20 single men in these 5-minute bursts. Personally, I don't think it's enough time to get to know someone. I couldn't really gather my thoughts. My biggest piece of advice would be to maybe bring a friend. I went on my own, and also maybe have a glass or two of wine beforehand, because that definitely helps. But there has been such a rise in offline events outside of speed dating. There's things like run clubs, there's singles events all over the country, there's comedy nights. Try them out. It brings you out of your comfort zone. It's a little bit scary at first, but pick one that doesn't feel that overwhelming. That's probably my biggest piece of advice. Number three, matchmakers are brilliant if you have the funds. Matchmaking is obviously the way our ancestors would have met other people back in the day, and it's probably the reason why I'm actually here on this earth. But they are expensive, and make sure to do your due diligence beforehand. But if you're a really busy person and you feel like you don't have time for romance in your life and you want it taken away from you, it is so lovely to have someone take it from your hands, get to know who you are as a person, and look for someone for you without you having to go near an app or even going outside your own door. And number four, there is hope offline. I am telling you now that while I didn't find love at the end of this experiment, I did come away feeling a little bit more optimistic about dating as a whole. I am not going back on those apps. I absolutely hate them. It is definitely a little harder to date offline because we have got so used to our online worlds. But I'm telling you, ask for a setup, do a little bit of speed dating, try a matchmaker if you want. There are ways to find love, and I promise you, it's waiting out there for you, and it's not on an app.